Get up out of bed now. Get up. You know, see a morning now. A morning, you know. The people them now no food for eat, no food in the house. I want you to get up out of bed. No food in there, nothing there for you. People them want money for them go to school. What wrong with you?
What this man? What this man?
A morning, what wrong with you? Get up out of the bed now.
Make you take off the clothes, the sheet off of me, man. Sure.
Get up out of bed.
Sure. You know, see, I want to sleep a whole night me out the last night, you know, man. Whole night me out, you know.
You just big and lazy. Get up, man.
That'll be a problem.
Hello, man. Get up a morning now.
Sure.
Why, Principal? Come like only Rasta alone, them a fight.
I'm Principal, we ain't gonna tell him about it.
Yo, yeah. Keep something up there, barnyard.
Gone from the farm. Gone from the farm. Everything is from the farm. That's how pretty corn is. From the farm. Nice corn. Dig up here. Don't know from the farm. Dig there, dig out here, you know. Food from the farm. Eat from the farm, cook from the farm. Don't know. Man, the original Jamaican renter yam, man. See there it a shake. Soon forward up. Yes, I. See there? Jamaican good old renter yam from the farm. Give thanks, you know. Yeah, on the farm. Yes, sir. See it there. Wash your face to the straw or to the rice and peas. You know, you don't know, you know. Rastaman thing no play, you know. I put it on the wood fire, you know, cause a normal natural fire we use cook, you know. No hills there, you know. Don't know. Yeah, man.
Alright, forward now.
Sit here.
Give me.
Give us that piece of wood now.
Come on.
Pumpkin. So then I have a variety of things. And then I have green veg I grow said way. Callaloo, pop chow, sweet pepper, cucumber. So that's the love of Rastafari. I give thanks in life.
Bobo. Bingy. Bobo. Wagwan Bingy.
Pass through, come give the eye them a link, you know. Yes, sir, give thanks, man.
That's where artists are going with.
Yes, sir, the eye just there, you know. A whole of one jar, you know, a meds up a tune, and I say I have to come give you a link. Because I want you to hear it. Because right now, I'm big hit this, you know, brother.
Yes,
I have to make you hear it, Bingy.
Yes, sir, of course I have.
Yeah, man, I want you to hear the tune, man. Because this is a tune I want tune, and I tell you, say, a boom tune. I tell you, Rasta, right now, I don't like, and nothing on to go on, and right now, I have to do some music and try put out the thing, them, because I can't do it, brother. I tell you the truth, Rasta. I can do it, you know what I mean? Say, I want hit me put out right now, brother, because right now, I don't lie to you. A music me say.
Yes,
music me say, and me in a ego right now to put out the song them car. So you know want to hear it?
Of course, for the
right
music.
Now, right now, true, you don't know me in a ego to put me thing them a road car right now. Well, here you know what? Y'all dash out for me. Y'all me love how you look. The girl them sexy and nice. Boy, how them cock up themselves so when time them a go through. Boy, me just love how the girl them run so. And them happy.
No, you're
that tune yo, me I tell you say the youths them love when the girl them step out. And the girls them know how to do them thing. Them a girl they no play when time them see people. Cause the girl them sexy and rotted. Alright, me I tell you say the girl them nice and them pretty and them sweet and me not in a no.
Second down.
Why you say you love the tune?
Why that tune the son? Yes, Rasta youth, you know, them tune they mash up the earth, you know. We want to take it back to the roots, the roots rock, reggae, them Evans they call. You know, see even Bob Marley tune, it live right now, till now. And look how long them man they do them tunes, so.
Bingy, me understand everything what you're saying, but this I want to hit, you know, Bingy. I want to hit this, you know, man. Me feel this a song. Me say me wake up with this song and me just know say I want to hit this, brother. I hit. Me I tell you, man, so right you know, me listen, me glad for your encouragement still, you know, but you see right you know. Yeah, true, you know, right now the way me all work on this a tune last night, me nothing get to sleep and me I get some rest this morning. And me be all come in this and a quarrel with me. My baby mother just a war with me right now. I true you not him know how me deal with I want to deal with him this morning, no, brother. But I true you, yo Bingy, you don't know, you know. You don't know. Let's go and do what we have to do still, you know, brother.
Still I have to do some conscious tune, some upliftment tune, righteous. We can teach the youth them. Yeah, overs.
Give thanks to the encouragement in Rasta, but you see right now, me not like, me just go and do what me can do right now, because dance all me deal with, you know. So you see right now, Bingy, me feel like me just want to put out that song, because this a song, it just a ride, my brother. But me glad for the encouragement, Star. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man, me glad for the encouragement, and you know what I mean, if further down music come, inspiration come for something else, me just deal with it, you know how it go. But for right, you know, as some dancehall business, brother. Girl, them me talk about, cause the tune nice, you know, man, right now. I show you not even know me feel about this tune, yeah.
And I say I don't love the tune, you know, but they have to do some reality tune, brethren. Reality. We are uplift the people them, and ones can play it in them house and them home, yeah. So some upliftment tune, some reality tune, Rasta.
Yeah, man. So right now, as I say, you know, you tell me to deal with a different tune, do some culture tune, and I feel like some other one try some culture tune, because you see as Rastaman like ancient man like you, I respect you, and for years me always, you know what I mean, just to take your reasoning, you know what I mean, you always show me some way where never wrong. So me I say alright, me love how you say it.
Yeah man, the whole way are one man, because I see him try enough. With the I know. I was a ballhead before I be a Rastaman, you know. So I just one chada, yeah. You know, I and I grew up as ballhead, but in I and I heart, you know, I and I grew up with Rasta. So it's like a from birth. Rasta is a from birthing, yeah. So away in the heart, yeah. They understand. The whole we are one. One people, yeah. One heart, one aim, one destiny. Whole we are one. White, black, purple, and blue, yeah. All I and I are one people, yeah.
Yes, sir.
One life.
Yes, sir, we are one. One Rastaman.
Yes, man. One.
Yeah, man. Which is like, I just the same Rastaman.
Yeah, I just the same Rastaman.
One
the
Rasta.
Bobo, the 12 tribe, the Orthodox, all of them is one Rastaman, one Rasta. Yeah. Everything come under one umbrella.
Yeah, same Rastaman.
Yes, sir, one
same
Rastaman.
One
Everyone
Rasta.
I and I. If I call Haile Selassie, her name is one Rasta.
Yeah.
One
yes,
Rastafari.
Yes, hold on. Same Rastaman.
Yes, man, the same Rastaman. The one Rastaman.
You know, so I can write a song about the same Rastaman.
Yes, sir, they made the day I met,
I can
man.
write a song about the same
Yes,
Rastaman.
man.
A thing come to me, I say I can write a song about the same Rastaman, you know.
Yes, brother. Yes, Virgin.
Can write a song about the same
Yes,
Rastaman.
man. Go in it, man, because they have the ability, you know.
Go on, you know.
Knowledge, you know.
Same
Increases to the eye, them, you know.
Rastaman. The same Rastaman.
Yes,
The
sir.
same. Hold on. You know what I need to get my book and my pencil.
Yeah, man. From there is a writer,
yeah,
man.
you
You
need
just
to
put
get my
words
book and my
together,
pencil,
man.
you know. Bingy.
Yes, sir.
Cause that tune you want hit, you know.
You sound like
Same
yes,
Rastaman. I want to hit, you know.
Yes, sir.
Tune,
Big guitar.
tune,
Yeah.
yeah. Tribulation. Tribulation. See Rastaman. Come to the tribulation. See Rastaman.
What do you do with no artist?
Yes, sir, the idea I go and write a song, you know. Same Rastaman.
I and I.
Yes, the idea I write a song.
What tune you sing say now? Let me hear it.
Same Rastaman. I bear the tribulation. I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman. I bear the tribulation. I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman. Yes, Rastafari.
So I'm the rest of music.
I hit that Rasta, I hit man. I hit that man.
So the music they can make money.
Yes man, I
The
hit
two line
that
there?
man. Yes man, I hit man, I hit man, I hit man.
Talk more about it.
This a song a big man, I hit man.
That's
I
six
the
more
same
about it.
Rastaman. Listen no man. I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman. What you say? I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman. I the same Rastaman.
Tune here, not tune yet. All the dog them get up and run. When I want a meditation, I have to take a draw of a chalice. You have to take a draw of a chalice, you know. Take a draw of a chalice of a meditation. I meditation.
Yes, I give thanks, I.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I. Yeah, man, give thanks to the Most High. Bless and protect I and I going out and coming in. Keep I strong on the battlefield. Sealer.
One is, you know.
Yes, sir.
One house, one family. One yard. One yard, baby. Bless up. Yeah.
Same Rastaman. Yes, I hit you good. Yeah, you hit good. Same Rastaman. Ah, the same Rastaman. The same Rastaman. Right now, you know, say. Right now, cause the vibe's right, you know. The vibe's right. Same Rastaman. Same Rastaman. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear. Judge me for what I do. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear. Judge me for what I do. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear. Judge me for what I do. Judge me not
Yes,
for
I.
the... Yes, I.
Yeah, man, it sound like music now.
Yes, I. Give thanks,
Yeah, man, them music they are for meds, man.
I work on it.
Yeah, man, I sound more happy in myself, man.
Yes, I
Sound
work
like
on it.
music, Pinky.
Yes, I
Yes,
work
sir.
on it. Judge me not for
Yes,
the clothes
sir.
what I wear.
Upliftment.
Judge me for what I
Righteousness.
do. Yes, I. Yes,
See,
I. Yes, I. Yes, I.
Yeah, man,
Yes,
unity.
I work on the song you like. It's Rasta right now, my head a hurt, my brother. My baby mother wake me out of bed this morning. Right now, my head a hurt, me a pill me want go down the fence it, me want go down the shop go buy, you know. You know, me feel like all fever me about to have, you know. Right,
No,
you know.
man, herbs are the healing of the nation. Rasta use herbs. And I use herbs to heal the sick. So no matter what kind of sickness you have, the herbs. You have the fever grass. Yeah, you see me the merengue there too. You have the
Yeah,
merengue,
the
very good for the
merengue.
eye.
Yeah, man, me I tell you, man, the fever, man. Fever have me away, man. So right now, you know, me just, I don't a shop there as me say me did a go in about. As me see you, me have to come give you a link and make you know what I'm going because You know, I'm not the healer, you know, the Rastaman are the healer. You know.
No man, there you have to go on no shop man, and I have herbs that can heal the nation man. Whole heap of herbs and leaf alive. They are good for the cold and good for the mucus. Right now I have herbs in tea in a pot there, you know, there I can sip some, you know. And I know there I go feel much better when there I don't sip.
And yeah, you can sip some, you know.
Yes sir, I love that.
Take some of that tea.
Yeah man.
Alright, you know, the way I feel.
I know them kind of feelings, you know what I mean?
Man. The headache,
yes,
man. My baby mother make me wake up with the headache, aye.
So man, there I go feel much
wake
better.
Up with the headache, just disgusting. I don't know what go on in this woman here, like, the woman just disgusting.
Why I said the word setting, you can't blame the woman.
Tell her Rastafari.
Life fire. Fever grass is fever grass is I said, I and I go boil up little herbs.
Okay, this is one named fever grass?
Yes man.
Okay.
Good
but it look like a cane leaf, man.
Yeah man, I saw them thing that.
And you have a good smell, you have a good smell
yes,
too.
Yes man, when I boil it man, it's good man.
Yeah, well this is what man will boil it.
And we have the meringue.
Meringue. Oh, this is one named the meringue?
Yeah.
Meringue.
Yes sir.
So what the meringue good for?
These are good herbs man, it's good for everything. They say it's all-purpose herb right now. People are using it hard, you know.
Okay,
so even the seed. You have a seed in it, you know, you can eat like peanut.
Okay, it look like peanut?
Yeah, the seed.
Never seen
it like peanut, but it's a seed like grains.
I never see it before.
Meringue this man, this is the something with the seed in it. This is the shell.
The
pod, yeah. So all you have to do is just open the pod and you get meringue.
So what about if I chop up all this and put in the water? It can work same way?
Yeah man, yeah, herbs, you know herbs can work, you know, as canto you use it, you know.
Herbs, yeah, meringue.
But the seed,
yeah, man, right,
the seed is very important. Yeah, but I and I would boil the bush and eat the seed.
Alright.
Yes,
that sound like something I need to do.
Yeah man, the leaf of life this year, you know. The leaf of life this year, you know. So I and I just go. When I and I boil herbs, you boil like even odd number like 3, 5 and 7. So I and I have more herbs, enough more herbs, but yeah, I can try them 3 there. And I know it will work. Yeah man. Yes sir. I and I have some herbs in the pot too, where if I want to sip some of the tea there, I can get some.
No problem, Rastafari. Yes, you know, you go anything for Rasta and a serious thing, you know.
Yes sir.
Always, you know what I mean? Greatness. Greatness. Must never touch his studio.
Yeah man, I want love, you know, my brother, and just keep focusing on music, you know, and you have the righteousness, you have to survive.
Yes sir, give thanks to life.
Yeah man,
heart and love. Heart and love.
Yeah man.
Every time
yeah, King Life.
Why man I say principal? Yes, family, yes. Salute. Yes, I have a song where I want you to help me with in the eye.
Yeah, let me hear it now.
Yeah, man, it's like a tune one named Same Rastaman.
Yeah.
The Same Rastaman
Same
tune.
one.
Yeah, man, because you see that tune, it touched me in such a way where I say, yeah, for years we need to do some serious song. You know what I mean? Fight against Babylon, because Rasta always do the thing them the right way in the family. And Babylon always coming at thing in the eye. And I mash up the thing. So right now, you know, say, the tune is about Rastaman. Same Rastaman.
Yes,
you go that way, yeah. Judge me not for the things what I have.
Hey.
Judge me for what I do.
Yeah man, tune shot.
Yeah, give her thanks,
Right on the spot.
Well, we are trying to do it, you know.
Yeah,
you know, we are trying to do it, you know, done yet still, you know, 100% finished, but you don't know, so any strength you can give me to that tune, you know, towards that tune, it would be work out, you know. It's really good.
They are alive.
Yeah man, you're really good,
yeah,
my
man.
and
I said it's just king life, yeah. And I said it's just one joy and happiness I bring forth for you, my people. That's how it goes.
All them money we tried earth with years.
Yeah man, straight.
Yeah.
Yeah man, holy things, you know.
Over the years.
Yeah man.
Yes, I.
See I'm a little vice room, a little one man vice room. Yeah, so one man vice room, yeah.
Nice tune to go through our Yes, I.
Like one man vice room.
Good look.
Yes, I. Yeah. Up already, you know.
Yes, I.
Yeah man.
Jungle yard with this.
Straight.
Jungle yard.
bar and thing. Rasta life.
Yes, I.
Without all of here, right, you know?
Right. Good herbs.
Good for your skin.
Yeah. Original thing, you know.
And I name that, you know?
Yeah?
I name tree veggie,
Rastafari live.
cactus and,
That's nice, man.
you know?
Yes, like.
I nah.
Nah. Rastafari live.
Without coconut and
Hold for something there,
Yes,
man.
aye.
Face fertile.
a jungle yard, you know, man.
Jungle yard.
Yeah, man. You don't know in the beginning was the word, and the word was Jah. Jah him flash the lightning and roll the thunder, what Jah put together, no man put asunder. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, so with them, man. Nazarene vow, Ras then, Ras now. Huge virgin.
Yes, I.
Hope and,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I know so that's how it go.
Yes, I.
Togetherness, you know.
Oneness.
And who Jah bless, no sissy test.
No, sissy. Judge me not for the things that I have. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear. Judge me for what I do.
Eh. So you say I do?
They are right tune.
Tune.
They are right a tune. Rastaman song.
Let me hear a piece of it.
Alright. Judge me not for the things what I have. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear. Judge me
Yo,
for what
cut that. Cut that.
What you do?
That now go nowhere.
I'm a big tune that you have.
Mr. That now go nowhere.
I hit this in a brother. This is a hit in a brother.
Let me tell you what is a hit. Better you go raise goat and cow, Dad.
Yeah, the man that tell me about to go raise goat and cow. I want to tell you something. I hit this in a brother. I hit this in a...
Better you go raise some foal, brother.
I not even want to hear
That
nothing
is
what
a
you
hit.
tell me, no brother. I don't want you to tell me nothing about my
That now go
tune.
nowhere, youth. Me not want to
Right,
hear
no,
that.
me not-
That now go nowhere.
Judge
I
me
hear
not
that
for
song,
the
that
things
now
what
go
I
nowhere.
have. Judge me for who I am.
Why principal? Come like only Rasta alone, them a fight.
I'm principal, Willie, I'm going to tell him about it.
Judge me not for the things what I have. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear. Judge me for what I do. The Rastaman is a peaceful man. The Rastaman never disturb no one.
Yes,
the
I
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I sound good like a artist, I
Yes, I give thanks, I give
So I
thanks.
say I know, Jaja. I love the youth son now.
Yes, I give thanks.
And I love the youth them here.
Yes, I give thanks.
So here we go on higher. I give a card. And let me know my shoulder higher.
I will do that, I
See?
will do that. Yes, I.
See here, brother.
Yes, I. Yes, I.
Here
Give
we
thanks.
go on. I'll give a card higher.
Yes,
I see
I.
a card here. And a card number, I tell him come leave I and I shoulder.
Yes, I.
So I go, I know.
Yes, I.
You know?
Respect,
Yes,
I.
I.
Respect, I.
Keep it up, youth, higher.
Heart of love, non-stop, I.
Yes, youth. Respect, youth.
Non-stop,
Respect, youth.
non-stop. Yes, I. Put them on. You see, that's why man, if you sing out, you know, some boy come and tell man about them, you know, if you go plant all ground and raise goat and them thing there and see there. If it's a producer, me just meet, you know. I want to do some man, I want to do some boy, man. So boy, if you go and about them business, you know, I want to do some boy. Right, you know, I go down and stroll a little from this, so. Me think up, me think I go on. See it there?
Who them? I tell them say, don't watch me, up you watch yourself. For me a striving a life, you are sinking at the well.
I go down and stroll go link the boss, you know. And tell him to come give me one link. Right now, that me I do right now. That emotion, right you know. Vice to tune car, you know, man. Hot one go hotter road, you know. I know man say hot like them other artists a road. And the man love my music right now, so you know he come down.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Hello. How are you? I come to see Mr. Williams.
May I have your name, please?
My name is King Life.
Just one moment.
Yeah, man. Him forward, man. Let him in. Artist, King Life, yeah. Yeah, man, see him. Yeah, let him through.
Yes, family. What go on?
Yeah, no, I bless I. Sanitize the hand I. Bless it I.
Yes, I. Which is the right thing, you know, the right thing.
Yes, Father.
Yes, I. Respect. Respect.
Yes, Father.
Yes, right. Yeah, man, me come link you, man, because the other day you give me the card.
Yes, I.
So.
They'll go for the eye for true eye.
Yes, I. Me
Yes,
come
I.
here and link, man,
Yes,
because
I.
you don't know. We have to do
Yes,
some
I.
work, you know.
Yes, I. Have a seat, no general.
Gift
You don't know
gift
Father,
gift
see,
thanks.
blessed love. Yes, I. You know, say I and I, come I and I yard and build a rhythm. So more on the eye. I make the eye listen to the rhythm and say the eye see him because Rastaman there, the tune there.
Yes, sir.
More on the eye.
Good,
So,
good.
more I say I can fit it. When I rhythm the eye just come up. You see eye, but you are going. More on the eye listen and say the eye can fit on it, you know. Yes, I. When the eye listen to the rhythm, you just start out and I think the eye. I love it, I love it, Rastaman, tune a big tune, oh, a boy tell nothing so you can't bust, That's why I want to sign up to it in Aya. So, here I go on, it's a tune and the rhythm here. When you go home, I listen to it good and, huh?
Will I jive on it?
Will I jive and then I can put it out.
Naturally.
I can put it out here.
Give thanks.
You see my lad? So I put it out.
Give thanks to the
You see
Spirit,
me?
aye.
I can manifest, make it work.
Yes, I. Yes, I. Just with the open arms, you know, just give thanks, you know, you can give me either strength there. Without, yes, I. It's a joy, you know.
I mean, no man come tell you in the arts, Aya. But Aya.
Give thanks,
It's Aya. I know the call them to the Aya.
Energy,
Tune.
energy. The energy, you know.
Yes, Aya.
Yes, I. Give
See?
thanks. Give thanks.
Blessed my Lord.
Yes, I.
Aye.
Aye.
Yes, aye.
Respect,
Do
man.
you think, man?
Yes, I come in the studio, come hold a joy, man. I feel hold a joy, man.
Boy, principal, come like only Rasta alone, them a fight.
I'm principal of Willie, I'm tell him about
Yo,
it.
yo, yo, yeah. Oh, oh. Eh. Judge me not for the things what I have. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear.
Yes, I am.
Judge me for what I do. The Rastaman is a peaceful man. The Rastaman never disturb no one. The Rastaman bring good vibration. Him a fi reach Mount Zion.
Yes, my family, I respect, you know, heart of love. Heart of love.
Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. We've invited first class. Now we're inviting executive platinum, emerald, sapphire, and ruby. If those words are written on your boarding card, please come forward for boarding. Also, I'd like to invite group number 1. Please, ladies and gentlemen, have your boarding cards out available. Group 1 is now boarding.
This is your captain speaking. At this time, I'm going to ask you to fasten your seatbelts.
Contact tower 128.15. Maintain spacing interval 90 seconds. No closer than 3 nautical miles.
Approaching minimums.
This is your captain speaking. On behalf of the flight crew, thank you for flying with us and have a pleasant day.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we introduce on stage for the first time in New York City. Put your hands together for King Live. What you know?
Rastaman. Now hear the tribulation. And this here Rastaman. Competition nation. Oi, oi, judge me not for you think what I have. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not. Go back again, go back for it again, go back for it again. And this here Rastaman. Hear the tribulation. And this here Rastaman. Competition nation. And this here Rastaman with it. Oh, that is here Rastaman with it. Oh, that is here Rastaman with it. And this full up.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have in our studio today King Life. King Life, we have in our studio today. King Life, you've been mashing up the airwave all over the world and in New York. How does it feel being so famous?
Well, it's an honor to be here. Respect our manners, joy and happiness. Yeah man, it's a good feeling. You know what I mean? Because we put in the work, and once we put in the work, we're going to get good achievement out of it, you know. So I just decided, give thanks to the Most High to bless me with this talent where I can share it to the people.
So tell us, what inspired you to be an artist?
Yeah man, actually I'm coming from a music family. Background very strong in music. You know what I mean? Growing up, going to church, you know we have to sing, school, sing, you know what I mean? Expose the talent in the community likewise. You know what I mean? Sing on the sound system. You know what I mean, like up sound box in the community, every little thing when it pertaining to music, where we can bring a vibe to, we always do that. Knock some pan, you know what I mean, some little bucket and them something there, and that's something there.
Okay.
Yeah man,
Yeah. So tell us, how did you first found the spotlight, or should I say, how did the spotlight found you?
Yeah man, so as I say, you know, I have to just big up Mr. Williams because he's the man who really made the thing happen. You know what I mean? Because I usually sit down corner and get enough this encouragement from people, you know what I mean? Others are close friends too. So see this producer and him say, alright, I love how you sound. You need to come in a studio. So that's the thing come in. And Mr. Williams, big up yourself anyway you're there. Respect goes out. Yes, brother.
So, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The big man that been mashing up the airwave. King Life. Yes.
Yeah man, respect. Enough love.
Yeah, you know, see, I love, you know. I try me tell them, see, I just life over death, you know. For real. And I be a separation, me see, I one night get up. So me I say, I say in this jungle, the people, they ma grumble away, yeah. So many things are happening.
The coconut powder, the virgin.
No, Rasta, dread nothing I using up. Them thing I will use. Rasta.
Natural.
Yes, sir.
Natural. Natural I live, you know. I wish natural.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, there I can get a sip, Rasta.
Yes, sir, because, yeah, respect on. Yeah, man, watch out for your heart, see? No, wow. The artist that I want him boss. To the New York, the man there. No sign of him there. I really king like that. I know saying the other boss, you know. I know saying the other boss, man. I know. I know saying that you there the other boss. That's tough, you know. Yeah, man. A long time I tell the man saying the other boss, you know. I'm a boy, you know. You know, for me and that the man there come from. I know saying the other boss, man. I know saying the other boss. Can't believe still. Man, I can't believe say boss have me to do all of them book that stuff. I'm tired of this. Tired of this. You know. this man have to do in a sun hot brother. Boss have me a deal with me a weird you. Yeah.
How that? Man.
King Life?
Yes, I. King Life there, man.
Not right, Jack.
It's life,
You
man.
see up on the ITV, you know, Jack?
Yes, sir. Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, they are going to bust, you know.
You have to put in some work, man. You have to put in some work.
Why? You like how the dog look, you see?
Jai is great, man. Jai is great, I. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
You're really great for you. You know who this? Your bodyguard?
Yeah, man, I'm a bodyguard, man. Security have to tight, you know, man. I know we come now. But we don't take no checking on brother, because you don't know the people out there we don't like this progress, you know, brother. So you don't know security have to tight.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Hold it here, Kaya.
Yes, sir. Give thanks to life, man. Give thanks to life. Yes, sir. Right,
Hold it here, man.
Yes, sir.
I can't believe it. Oh, that them on the bus. I swear say it was a... Oh, that them on the bus. Look how me used to cuss the dog and... Man, bus have me, and me there so same way I pick up Bush and them sitting there. No, man. Why, church of God. Can't judge a book by a cover, you know. Can never. Right, God. Can't believe it.
Why, Principal? Come like only Rasta alone, them a fight.
I'm Principal, and Willie, I'm tell him about
Yo,
it.
yo, yo, yeah. Oh, oh. Eh. Judge me not for the things what I have. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear.
Yes, I am.
Judge me for what I do. The Rastaman is a peaceful man. The Rastaman never disturb no one. The Rastaman bring good vibration. Him have to reach Mount Zion.
This here Rastaman, we made the tribulation. Yeah, man, see, man. And this here Rastaman, come fit the nation. Hey, this here Rastaman with the long knot here. Same Rastaman them used to mock and cheer. Same Rastaman them teach the children to fear. And the same Rastaman a fly the plane in the air.
Judge me not for the things what I have. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear. Judge me for what I do. The Rastaman is a peaceful man. The Rastaman never disturb no one. The Rastaman bring good vibration. Him have to reach Mount Zion.
The same Rastaman you see a walk on street. No shirt on his back and no shoes on his feet. Him love Selassie I, nah go retreat. Babylon a fight but they must get defeat. The same Rastaman Babylon a fight against. Just because him have him intelligence. Them want fi come pop down him fence. Rasta have excellence.
Judge me not for the things what I have. Judge me for who I am. Judge me not for the clothes what I wear. Judge me for what I do. The Rastaman is a peaceful man. The Rastaman never disturb no one. The Rastaman bring good vibration. Him have to reach Mount Zion.
Sight the Rastaman, him a chad with him rod. Yes, him a yellow the Almighty God. And them a talk about how we mad. I'm Principal and Willie, I'ma tell him about it. This here Rastaman, you see a walk and sell the broom. Live up in a tent, I have no big bedroom. Sight him a come with a zoom, zoom, zoom. Him a big ganja perfume.